Hong Kong na akoye se video bi na mabonten a ye nuanom bi akotena social media eka bibi efa Ghana ya namsi for amu ho no ho ene Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration Deputy Minister Honorable Kwaku Aprechum didi abem na yepese busa papa anye bia Italy otima koho okoho so ne die ne kosiye yakwa homa no so ne yema papa akwaba Honorable yemu akwaba
Lejoso kontajo
kontonchi na ti say
odi obo hi akuma ese ya na my bedroom ampo nche kra ti se mi wo fie
that's great and na che say there obenum no for
musa benya be die
kontonchi na obesie nyame adom osum oman Ghana wona wabeye suafo a wo hwe amanone nsem so abedi akire anye bia nansen watu anamo akọ eye Italy
okay for about 2 weeks now I have been away mako France mako Germany mako Switzerland mako London and mako Italy we free Italy na me the Ghana na no brother
jo
di na o twese na me wo Italy
na o twese na wo Italy
na o twese na me ne Ghana fo a wo Italy Asia me a big town hall meeting ewo Rubia your friend Brescia and Ghana for share
right na one Ghana for share ewo Brescia ho no na timpo be pa na ma one Ghana for ko share ho no mo
you ade titiri ma me ne Ghana for nyina ko share wo Brescia ye niam bia na airport krum ho na ama tension kakra bi aba ho no attention na akwa kopi ho ni nyina na chere se Ministry of Foreign Affairs na me embassies no so wo various countries ye wo adwuma bi a ye fe no consular duties no ye profile e wo krum ho ye ne wo mun tuka wo di direct consular duties no e bi passport o passport in sem and profile what wo mo per visa obu ho ana the documents they say ye attestation and now you 35 man ni ya ye consular afesu so ye nkofo agu ho no ma no bi yare no bi anya sem no bi the prison no bi wo ni nyina ye consular duty je embassy adwuma no ye ne Ghana fo a wo krum ho no se ne ye ne wo mun kita ho sem etia ano ne consular duty ukokru bia so a ye wo officers I do almost specifically says you made the no mumpudi.
Right.
And I war ambassador, then in Prof was so at the town. The Juma Pa ye did what Abruchino Cruduso. Consular duties are one of the major Jumedia Yedi. Major.
Right.
Say to me, any and Prof one and Ninki Tawa. The Juma and I say embassy na ye bio hono. Na a two sneak at your back.
Right.
Enti yeni ayen crop for a dinky town.
Right.
And I ne Bruna a woman for so abain. So a dinky town.
Right.
The sign money me.
No money me.
Now in the consular work, you know. Yan fan a Bruna a woman so for everything Italy. Or more group on a room.
Yeah.
One I embassy office a war. But yes, you might Yama and crop for nature. You come for and you go back and one more here. One crew, and it's the person who would think it a whole dear. And say a cop baby from time to time, your copper slow one crew now woman.
Right.
You know what could be the same town. And apart from room, crack a sea war, Italy, the theatre cock or the Kushia woman. And only a friend outreach work. And then you might put him back way.
Okay.
The Italy, you got him out the enchia. And California Ghana for you original say. Woman, dear woman, play. It's not you. Woman, play. Emma embassy officers. Young too quiet and call other cities and towns and any Ghana for Enconcosia and Koya outreach work. Woman pay. Nemum. Woman pesa yema woman pay. Now woman else sagana for them. And for woman room. Now at the car Ghana for no pedal. Woman Baha, they are my woman room crumble. Now, society, almost is a woman air charge Ghana for no. What do you make?
Mitiopa.
One more air charge Ghana for no more for woman won't do mama. I come with the woman about better, Juma, yet better room. Say, outreach work. Young Costless, young call for my baby. Now, young corner, young conco to your woman, and young call one more password because of it. If you are to Fiera, I'm out for baby no quaguma. So, no. Baby no more quaguma. Young outreach work now, a cocoa and weekends. Because I thought it could be after Saturday,
right?
Because your parents have one phone quaguma. The good money and a cool war on Gruna Ghana for Yaro attitude to cool. The any cool for a dinkita on let us say Yabo, the announcement in the Yam almost say, that's a Yabeba.
Okay.
If you are war issue be near the end, Yabado Baby Shay. A choir your first cry any Ghana for a dinkita on a dinkomo, a cafiatum chilwomo. And there may be a woman church near the nation near church woman. And some crowd may be a our passport to name, visa ceremony, attestation, and you may be a come.
Okay.
But I'm more you to
Joe.
And corporation one play.
Joe.
If you no, a daba whom you look at to first or be a buyer, branch of your dear, your penny baffle. Or no, I didn't dear baffles. And then I see them call and then our church and then. So the need appears or the donko to be bisa. Donko so I have for only cheap for woman over your associate.
Okay.
Woman, a woman, a cabu muse. Woman, to cars. And I almost see one person woman Chigana for a woman by about room. Now about the two and I'm out. Where the piano? Not many Ghana for the other concoursia. Nama Jeffrey Ghana for one was said, send one more panel. One more Yang Ghana embassy officers and Emra one more MA outreach work no. And now say one more pensa. No more pensa table for the don't call for now one better one more room came. One more doma bagana mission one more not charge one more now. Me pete me no mubisha. No more nukura a woman. Enti ansana me be call me ni table for no kasa. And I'm a bona mania say Tiba for me cock. One way your audios will be a dear Kugana Kruma. May call Italy, may call Brescia, Brescia near City Bia. And why the main point of Ghana for one more time is almost concrete and not a womusia.
Okay.
And you want one more dose of Ghana for one more dose of ye. May call Brescia. Now, what's some of what you have seen the scene? The person with the active no call took Ghana for a dominating. Enti bomodi isa obawo na obaba ka wasem because the person me busa Ghana for dom no say na wo mo pese ye no wo mo nkita hodie no ye ni se adwuma e bo che ba for amane.
Okay.
E ba for to me kan say me man kan kire no me ka kire no because openi pa bia o wa ban mu ni phone so na me che ba for ka sai na che ba for me konya ne number me friend dia aye bi me wo ha me friend back me friend wo ha me on friend me and as how opinion no say oni chiba afọ ko hia e chiba afọ akoto na asema kire no enti ho opinion friend me for friend na chiba afọ ho and am ka asema me pin e de chiba afọ wo chiba afọ ma ba bi digana mitimi ko anya jisa na jisa auto ticket mame na ma wona odi asem na asa me pesa me kokoro mo ye ko hia na resolve asem no na de wo ka kire media it looks as if when you ready to obeba advocacy Ghana for no na wa have a ton asem na kire wo mo na ya a solution to it na me ka kire say me kokoro mo to my brother man yes want to be ma ne nkofo a wono wo wo saa association no no on kan kire wo no mo mra ti ko hia ga wo twese de
okay
if I na wo twese de no na no land me free land echo bless you for that particular reason.
Okay.
That reason could be free. Me the car ko Italy. E konye diaspora engagement. Me really necessary me rush to London. Me rush to London. Me call London me free London ho. I shall back to Italy. See because I'm the Ghana for Esababia.
Okay.
You go share.
Right.
You go share and make the South we see to a dominant.
Right. But that's it pass. Papa meet you.
And a mom who clearly one more or support too. And I want to thank you for no Umutu.
Yo, but that's it.
That's what you say. I demand the microphone and one more person. One more person, Ghana Embassy for Yenya outreach worker. Yamra Messa woman. Yeah, you know, media and a more senate to quite a corner. Then microphone, a woman from Petrom, a woman who room the dear. Woman, no one again.
Yo,
assembly.
That's it. Yene, a Deputy Foreign Minister, Honorable Kwaku Ampechum, MP for Mampong. Papa, the woman you know, so say, Anyabia, Yenuanumi, a Juma or Muye, buses na se cars no matter more transport. Is there any illegality be a woman?
So be in business, I need a man found. And Ghana buy found. When are you individual and are you business? What would they make them?
It's you.
Found. I need a found.
Okay.
And I'm saying, will be the man of pay. Someone kind of my rumor. Yeah, business. Send any parkour and decided to start open. Oh, they're meeting.
Matuasi.
The parkour and decided to start open. Any way. And then the parkour man who I am a woman charging a dear. Any parkour that's it. Oh, they're meeting. Because your services now you provide them. You're in charge of. Charge your woman as a passport. Passport is no tia.
Okay.
But your mission, I have not feeling no tia. But your attestation, not certification, I attestation is in the tia. And provide the idea. Transportation, I want to do. Yeah, you know. So I'm doing Dama, so I'm doing Sempua. You knew you're punching my woman. You do only agreement here. And I am to me more agreement here because you need to miss your baby.
It's not to say
it's a individual Ghanaian. So I was a power here and I'll obey no.
Right.
But I'm going to follow my dear look like it. You're not woman to Sanamon. Yet to be Mamma to Sanamon. So, I know private business. No, all the Cochican or Coto Bass and no crime. And then,
Kotochi, brother, Mimsa, we know. Yes, said our church, you say, individuals, no, and citizens in Ghana for no per se or Moko join and the Muno Muniase, a Yomojuman or Moye, Name Mumuno, Sir Outreach Lydia, a Yadam Becoswaye, Nadia or Mutu. And no so no maybe so. Ghana by Emra Emma Quine some mutimi call outreach nana. Some quite passport.
Meet you first in the word.
You pa maybe say questions now meet me.
A mandate. I mean to yeah, you know, missions were about Medica yourself. One of the major work we do at various embassies, and I'm stressing that. One of the major work anti-dear embassy are consular services. Consular services, the men started me church.
But that may be say, Emrakwamuno said all kinds of church. Me and Nabiti Crabia to me. I said, Miss me to a namana when the year say, and she. The me patch and say, Mutimi call outreach a unity fine community meetings near Inano and the Binimutia say, but we are talking about data collection. Is it also allowed some
data collection? Opening as the whole corner will be a passport. That's what you're saying. The data are all collected.
And I'm say allowed to do it outside.
You sign up to member.
Okay.
You want Data Protection Act in your money, my dear. You're the young group your ass. And your room.
Okay.
Every country, via your won't be you push on
right.
Every country. I don't know woman for a mobile sorry against a modi. Bumpre. Your quality data, your quality the end. Every country. And I'm stressing every. Not just some countries. Every country via Ghana mission will be on. Yeah, consular services. Yeah, outreach work. Okay. Outreach work can be defining what is involved in the outreach work.
Yeah, and when say Osha say no church ni na me bisa questions we say emra kwan ma ne emra kwan dia Matthias ho. Papa, na ukohia ye nuanom e wo Brescia and say any other baby a onu omuhia anye bia Ghana for tokwa pa e wo ho pa no me kraka we kra de nyamasem eti Brescia for that man ka amanehuna Italian embassy in Ghana omo from about appointment VFS say omo documentation legalization omo beye no Roma omo so omo nje che beye no Ghana ha sa Italian embassy no si Ghana ha say no asem say odeyen eti aduanwoma so
opening is Roman cancer the Italian government si Ghana o katwi kasasa na
but my tria sign ho Italian Ghana Italian embassy out obviously Italian government anan ewo ha say no I say yen Ghana for na ewo Italy no yen krata asem no onwene wo no so na ma yen adanse die krata say yen mefa legalization emra ne memma ye ma enkrata yen ye susu ye be nya krata ye adwuma de abebo o man no 1 year na wunya appointment me akasa magina me wo fase diem 6 months ni me nya appointment and you can't do working as a copy appointment papa it is out of we nyina aden ye chichiri sa tokwa we me kama me nuanom am wo ho no mo especially say okay cheba for no mo ne don ko no ye kamom e na me nua bonsu ono wo udni ye kamom ne fight sa course we na ka omo open door no my say be legalization be cost tentem because can you say foreign affairs bit my am Rome bit my am e so omo mpe no
Ulia, my country, may say we let me name home baby. I'll be honest with you.
Okay.
If I for them did in our way and say we say woman can't watch it.
Okay.
Don't cross them did our way and one can't watch it. And that because she our mohono. And our branch here back will be a buy. Was it a radio station boy? Because I've only boost, no.
Ayabusu. Yeah, busu. Yeah.
Or no, of that car, a meeting, I see. Not a border on the walking.
Okay.
Right, yes. We feel volunteer to make the man. And I'm a catcher and say, Meta said, Mania at Semno in the right contest. Namu and Namontura meet me at Tuana and Comodia meet me at the Ewa. Really, fashion. We must have officers and no more and be there. And be as I deal with it. Woman who be. And almost say yes. Almost a for no concern. No. Right? Woman in Italy for no Eddie in Kitahon. Now, near Italy embassy in the Ghana had a air can say. Processing, as I said, one wants to go through one would do diligence. And we are not going to be the area, but one. May I mean, engage the ambassador into the new Assam state, which is what I intend to do. Number 2, about the social draw my attention, say, after there is a certain agreement and NASA Arabia, a Ghana government assigned.
Yes, a Vienna Convention, or catch them.
Whatever, we have been strong from it, or the Vienna Convention, we need once a year to make and never be a family system.
Go to G.
And you Vienna Convention, Vienna Convention, a diplomat, Vienna Convention, the Eduma.
But here, Coso.
Certain agreement to be a new one. As I said, Ghana sign up to it near ratify. What my understanding is a Ghana you ratify it. Right? Ghana as a country, you ratify it. I don't know. When my officers say, one day gets out there and famra. Now, from my legal department, my legal for
Okay.
Na say you rectify ya. Na me de ko mpanimfo anim kodi hu nkomo. Ni hu anamo yebetu ade aka.
Mo pia.
So any matter eko ebepie ho. E ka se be ko bai na otwum bedru juada.
Juada, yeah.
Me legal director na watu kwai ono oba enura efie.
Okay.
Yami aduma se say na me saka na juada na brother. Me de ba na se wonhwem. Now our advice where we stand on that particular,
Yo.
Saudi okay. Chiba for one for Hama. Don't go American Vivia or one more transportation. Yamakwa one more Ghana for you musica. Right? And one more money no more fufu ewo. To a body go we are Jessica, we are saying that we are what under why. Maybe could you group on that see as my Jessica.
Na
you need to prove it yes come you see.
Na anyebia na minim say boy renovation wo ha me am timi say mo wie kra. Anyebia still renovation is ongoing somewhere na e wo dan ho ba bi.
Oh yeah, you go so.
Yo. Na yo. It is a renovation no anyebia transformer e ba be she ba bi ana.
So transformers even na because to alarm pia say obi airpewa right a person of course sanye maybe ni be fra mu ni ade no on say one no run no down utie audios na one will say ya wo music na me officers will be who some they are there ya say nipa no you be you so wo yire ana obi chichire e twantro sa de to no so a be ye wo de Urabana wa mo kala sem transform the what can start and Urabana oni kurumo issue was not there. I know when Matilda was sent to room that the transformer now started that.
It is a transformer no.
Only penny and I see a first the head of chancery as one head of administration. Only I mentioned it. Ono na sani many nyina e wona kitchen. Siti mu di asem na be hye ne mere. Ama na look like say. That be no and the best started transform and the ba. Me wa o be tosa.
It is say you know say the city no so transformer no is it for Ghana mission and now say a year private.
Let me go on forward and tell you.
Okay.
7. Dan empo yeah, Mount Sanya, you go through certain processes. Another one.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
If you do one year, the other one, you test in your manana, even you are granted, I'm a location of a work permit. Ghana, you see that I am a work permit.
Yeah.
About you, whenever any installation via the mountain or baby, my permit. About you, Kukiabra, send your Ghana, I will be considered. Ukukiabra, Dano. Dano drawings about 90% of our diet, target your cogino. I can't be no good down of Prapo. You would draw it simple as a Yama permit. Also, I wish I afford to be able to reach with our mere cabinet at the Minkilo.
And one year can
won't be any one more. And yet, we won't take a box of slinging army whose idea you see it is this. Your mass certification won't. These people are talking at 777 a Yamakura but I Butoku and I W Kwakusia a year very certification, check and balances and Yajuma. It doesn't work like that. But if you don't, you say the pattern when you play more say. And the trouble will be because of your own selfish interest. We don't do that. And you're
yo, Papa, watch it. That means SAP transformer no is ongoing, but and yet idea illegal thing.
Illegal.
Yeah, that's
everything and certification test. Well, everything is there.
Mate,
you see, if we say a Rabano. One more, Onula Diania, Ebu Mugalem. At now, what you send there? Now, the Odia Ebu Mugalem, Naminka, who never think. transformer na me din ka ho efi edwara yi se me din aba beka ayi wo mu business na yes said no me din abeka ho transformer na yes no eso so baba be je ho sikadi e dey say transformer na me ka ho ni use transformer no
and na me smell baba ye me susuma be ye me fact finding na me se me sumenya me die wo mu a eti eti mu fa si ha ma be hwe ahwehwe mu a
uba na wa be cat and papa o ye do be prem
mati some be the first one outreach here me call odini die no cover me wo videos ni nyina wa ha ekwan a emrewafo no ne maamefo a mata no mkuta nkora 4 or 5 eni age se ade na be o mabobo ano no nemu no ye behwe se ahoho timi framu ni ye bebre no munum se kire mu hu se because me free multimedia nti na ayam hihia aba mu se no afede ye be ye de be the video ni gba be kire but that transform ye be di akire
yes na me ka to unia even ye krum ye command to sa nema na they were setting approval as I koje me bo permit ni kro ne ba
no correct
permit your manager said
yo
and you cannot come and say you treat abra or you treat abrabo ye krum ya obi a come do obi a no obi a jisikedi left right and center
yo
it's how you treat abra
yo
all documentation that be a better obi a utimi ko yin krata ba we yeah, mommy, we are better test, we are better test, we are better test, and then even after that, on the installation, one more periodic inspection,
now, Minister, question here, Minister. Now, almost so many baby say, if you feel no mobile, if you have a boy,
I know that they met me at so mobile survey within the area.
Okay,
right, you have a survey within the area, and they pay who the ideal place. Abia LBC and I miss the say idea baby a ecosino the inconvenience Ghana mission right and can you be to one and after all baby chrono a assassin so long this year a property yes a no man's land. If it is being located at your property, we can say yes or we can say no. They cannot force us.
Okay.
Unless they say there is a law, to me compare ye. Oh, the mission to agree. And you want more than so many more. What we come to someone say about the trouble until other casa ba. Simply because all the cancer Eddie condemn will be Eddie at the soul will be Eddie at say will be there because who feels a nipano or the Anya Ebu Galim. So Anya will feel say, yeah, Dibu Mugalimwa, transform and what I'm telling you.
That's honorable.
So in their selfish interest, you don't do that. You want to exploit your fellow Ghanaians. Yeah, you acquire a Kushia Ghana Fuku, Ghana for the catcher. You want more planet said, may a map and a sour. No more percentage for the don't follow, and power more form of Ghana Missia. And Caminia Timbiak. What you know, what will make in us? You have no clue about this. I wish I poor Mugua. And if I wait to see what more yes, I will see your mamma. And don't you want to say, yeah, you better outreach near Babette Ramoni and will be designed to town. Muka no kuro mu kyerɛ me emu die wɔ hene ɛna mo pɛ sɛ yɛn yɛ bɛba na sɛ wɔn mo na ɛsɛ samo ɛfa mo ɛmere yɛ wɔ wu muka mi eti ɛnipa egu deɛ mo hɔ yɛyi ti yɛyi hɔ aman obi a ɔwɔ deɛ mo hɔ biara sɛ mo kan sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ yɛn yɛ outreach work na no na ɔmo pɛ
yo ɛda se
deɛ ɔkɔ pie hɔ no
yo Kotochi
ɔbɔ yɛ kuma
yɛ fɛ si ha dem pese me busa no chichimu amepe na me saka no transformer no eye den ya nyame ya aduma August ye beto afa ho no mo ye beto
wona ko he ukwa me sure say wo member me officers ne wo mo kope ho nkrata permit ni ade nyina afa mu ho wa obi o ba bia ye fa metre no
mate papa ye da se
okay me so me da se
yo bidru kuma se amefro
okay
Kotochi
owo here kuma
land ya tete wade oh minim say eni ade ade tell land na asade drukum yo Bechia maame ne nkora no.
Yo, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Aha ya Asempa 94.7 Mosofo Kokwa Mankwa.